Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Like I promised you last time that I'm going to show you the garden. You can see how the garden looks like. You can see the difference, like you can see how the carrots have grown. They're looking green. These are the carrots. They're really looking healthy, you know. And this is the rep that was transplanted. It has grown. We've been plucking the rep, and you know, we've been enjoying our own vegetables. Yeah. So as you can see, the carrots, and the onions. We have onions in here. We also have okra. Yeah. We have the spinach. Yeah. These are the spinach. Yeah. So here is sweet pepper. You know, farming is very good. You can even do this on your own and just have your own vegetables. As you can see, the spinach is looking healthy. Nice. Let me take you all over. Let me show you around. So this is the onion. Yeah, the onions are doing very great. Onions are doing very great. Our rep. Our vegetables are really doing great. Let me just show you how the tomato looks like. This is the tomato. Very, very big tomatoes, you know. Just take a look, a close view of this. They're very big tomatoes, and they're still growing. Let's take a look at this. Very big, and this one as well. Have nice tomatoes around here at our farm. So this is how the tomato looks like. Fresh from the garden. When you hear fresh from the garden, this is what we mean. Fresh from the garden. So this is how the garden looks like, yeah? This is how the garden looks like. We eat our own vegetables. We don't have to buy. We just get from the garden. So now, just want to show you some of the trees again. This July, the month of July, still have some sourshops in. Yeah, we still have some sourshops. I can see some sourshops there. As the tree is looking very green. still have some soursoups there, here. Yeah, still a lot. There. Yeah. So now I'm gonna check on the lemons. The lemons have finished though. This was my favorite tree because it had a lot of lemons. But it's not that they're completely finished. They're still growing. Some are still growing, as you can see, the small ones. This was one of my favorite trees because it had so much, it bore a lot of lemons. So as you can see, some lemons are just remaining on the top. Yeah. So I'm sure it's gonna have more lemons next month. Yeah, next month we will have more lemons. Yeah. And these are mango trees. Mangoes will start soon, as you can see. It's grooming. Yeah, it's grown some flowers, showing that mangoes will start soon. Yeah, we have a number of mango trees here. We have a lot, as you can see from that far end there. Those are mango trees. Yeah, right here at our farm. Yeah, as you can see, that's a mango tree again, and a Mexican apple tree. So just show you around again, show you how our fruits are doing. And this is a peach tree. It's also coming up. It's also grooming. It's got tiny flowers and tiny peaches. Tiny peaches that you can see. Yeah. By next month they'll be all grown up. They'll be all grown and ready. Just come across a pawpaw tree, and the pawpaw is there. There's a ripe one, also the ones that are not ripe. Yeah, they're on top. We've come across another lemon tree. This one has also bore a lot of lemons, though they're not grown yet. So we've come across the jackfruit. Like I showed you last time, it was still, it was the fruits were still small. Yeah, as you can see now, they're growing. These are fruits, very, very nice fruits. This is how the fruits look like. Let me show you from the inside. Yeah. This is how they look like. This is a jackfruit. This is what it looks like. So now some of the plants that we have here, I mean the fruits that we have here have gone out. The some have finished, the fruits are finished. They'll be bearing fruits in the next coming months. Yeah. Like the mangoes will be ready November. Yeah, November, December. As you can see, for now they're just blooming. Yeah, as you can see, it has bloomed so much with a lot of flowers, meaning it's gonna have a lot of mangoes. Yeah, so same applies to this tree, the Mexican apple. I can also see the flowers. It's also blooming flowers. Yeah, I'm sure the Mexican apples will be ready as well by November. Yeah, so just showing you how the trees are seasoning this month of July. Yeah. So here again, I'm gonna just show you around the orchard that we have. Yeah, just trying to show you again. How it looks like. The guava trees, some guava trees don't have guavas in them. Some they're just bearing. Some do have guavas. So it's just a different thing. Like this one, it has guavas on it. Yeah, it has guavas. Some trees don't have guavas on them. guys, I was just showing you around how the orchard looks like. Yeah. So all this is our orchard. This is how it looks like. The guava trees, everything. This is how big it is. Like I showed you last time. The guavas have finished, but the trees are still bearing flowers. Next month we're gonna have a whole lot of guavas again. Yeah, we're gonna have a whole lot of guavas again. This is a peach tree again. It's also blooming, as you can see, the tiny flowers. It's tiny flowers. As for now, I miss the fruits because now there's no fruits as for now. But in the next 2-3 months, yeah, the fruits will start bearing again. So this is the far end of our orchard from outside the farm. This is what it looks like from outside the farm. So now I'm just taking you on top of the house. I'm taking from the top view. That's the sun there, sunset evening now. A beautiful sun. Just showing you around the farm again. the road there. And that's the soya there under the guava trees. We still have the soya. Yeah, the soya still needs to be cleaned. Yeah? Like I told you that it was, you know, like I said, it was massive. It was massive because part of it was clean, and this is how much is left. All this needs to be cleaned. So still have a lot to do. Still have work on the soil. Yeah. So from this part to this angle, to this point, to this part, to that far end, that's all soil.